Welcome to Crafty Little Beach. This is Julie. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you. The little message in a bottle, and I thought that'd be the perfect easy solar light. I got this one. It's kind of the more turquoisey teal color one. They had different colors. I'm just going to put some sand in the bottom of it. I'm still going to do the message in the bottle. I think that's really cute. But I thought adding some sand and some of those little tiny seashells from the Dollar Tree in the bottom is going to make it look even more coastal. This is the little message in a bottle. It's perfect. It's got like a little plastic seashell on it and some twine wrapped around it. And then this is actually the solar light from Dollar General. If you'll notice, it's a lot smaller. It has an on and off switch, and these are only $1. So if you can't find any that are the right size at Dollar Tree, be sure to check Dollar General because I kind of like the smaller size for this one for a more slender bottle like this. And the on and off switch is great too if you have it where you can kind of get to that. But I'm going to hot glue mine on, kind of make it more permanent. And then I'm going to add some twine here to the neck of the bottle. I'm just going to tie that on and wrap it around just to give it another little fun little beachy touch. I wrap it around until I'm happy with it and then just glue down my loose end. And I put seashells in the bottom. There's a seashell on a little message in the bottle, but you can't have enough seashells. So let's add a few more here to the twine. I'm just going to hot glue some on here. This is just going to be a standing solar light. If you wanted to hang it, it'd be super easy to make a twine hanger and attach it to the twine that you wrapped around the neck of it. Little message in the bottle. And I think this is going to make a perfect little coastal solar light. This is what it looks like. It's super cute during the daytime. And then let me show you how it looks lit up. It actually gives you like a pretty cool pattern there. And I love the blue tint of the bottle. I think that's really pretty. And the little message inside is super cute. And the Dollar General size of the solar light works really well there on the top. It's almost the perfect width.